How did you start reaching out to drummers on Broadway and percussionists in order to try to break in? What are some of the things that you did?
Joining the union was a good key. And one of the things that they had that now I think is online. I think everything is online now, but at the time it wasn't. I went to the union and they printed out a packet for me of every single person on Broadway and their their instruments. And so I was just able to email every single guy that I knew that they gave me, and just to meet with them. Not, I wasn't trying to hustle for work. I wasn't trying to be, a jerk, or think that I was like all that or anything. I was just trying to meet people. So that was one thing, was like meeting people that way and getting all those resources from 802 and kind of cold calling people.